Hey friends, in this video I will give you some practical ways to become more powerful in your life. By power I mean here is the ability to influence both people and your surroundings, which will make some people respect you, others fear you, and a trait that can help you to get what you want. So let's begin. Law number 4. Always say less than necessary. I have a friend who just keeps on speaking all the time, gives his opinions and advices whether you ask him or not. And the consequence of that is no one takes him seriously, not even kids, even if he's saying something really important. He hates it when he has to repeat his sentences twice or thrice, but still no one is listening. On the other hand, I have a friend who speaks very less, but when he speaks, everyone pays attention to him, even stop if they are saying something and start listening to him. This shows the power of speaking less, which I think is related to the law of scarcity that I explained in my How to Manipulate video. Now let me tell you some ways on how this law can make you powerful. First, it will make people reveal more about themselves, as they will be forced to speak when you are speaking less. Second, people will listen to your every word very carefully. Third, saying less will keep you away from saying something foolish or dangerous. Remember, powerful people impress and intimidate others by saying less. Law number 7. Get others do the work for you. Use the knowledge, wisdom and legwork of other people to achieve your own dreams. That will save you a lot of time and energy. Never do yourself what others can do for you. Thomas Edison used this principle quite a few times and took credit for other people's effort. He hired a Serbian scientist named Nikola Tesla and told him to pay $50,000 to modify his invention dynamos, which is commonly known as generators today. Tesla worked day and night and made an improved version for him. Edison, instead of giving $50,000, raised his salary and kept the scientist working for him, as he knew that Tesla was a genius and can be very beneficial for him. Tesla is a prime example what you should not do. He invented many things but was never credited for his work. He would have gotten $12 million for his patent and work, but instead he just got $216,000 as payment, working for someone else. The idea to adopt from Edison here is hiring the best people in their field and make them work to achieve our dreams. Law number 28. Plan all the way to the end. There was a time when I got interested in playing chess because I thought it would make me look smarter. But I gave up on it after getting defeated terribly by everyone every time. Now after so many years, I realize why I used to lose every game so pathetically. In chess, normally we have a specified goal to checkmate our opponent, and that is our main goal. But I never planned for it and just used to think only about my next step. I used to make my moves depending on my opponent's move and forgotten my end goal totally. On the other hand, my opponents made all their moves keeping the end in their mind from the start. That is to checkmate me, and therefore they won every time. We can relate this to our life. Most of the people don't think about their end goal and just make decisions at the end time, which puts them in a situation where someone hires them for the rest of their life to achieve their dreams, as they never planned for their own dreams to become reality. So if you make a specific goal and then take actions accordingly to fulfill that goal, you would surely become powerful and separate yourself from the crowd. These were some of the laws from a fascinating book, 48 Laws of Power by Robert Greene, which is one of my favorites. Hit like if you found the laws useful, comment your views about the topic, subscribe for learning more laws that will help you to achieve your dreams. And finally, thanks for watching.